Good evening, all of you. And first of all, best of luck, everyone. This is revision session for Internet Programming 2. I am Assistant Professor Sonali Dubey from Sarhat College. I am trying to cover all possible multiple choice questions from your syllabus Internet Programming 2. But I am requesting everyone don't depend on these questions only, because you have already did the study well, and it's very necessary to read between the lines. As everyone know that multiple choice, it's very important to read each and every line, each and every question carefully. Okay, and when you are giving the exam, at that time also read the question carefully, then only you can guess the answers. Don't directly go for the answers. First read the question, try to understand the question, and then select the correct option from the given. Okay. Now we will start with our MCQ session. This is first session depends on the chapter XML. In a previous part, this is a second revision session, you know that. In previous part, we covered first two chapters. Now, in this part, we will try to cover remaining chapters. Okay. Now, I am starting with the first question. XML stands for, and I am requesting to everyone try to give the answer. Type your correct answer in chat box. If you not sure about your answer, then also you can try and you can check your logic is correct or not, or the answer is correct or not. Okay, this is just a revision session. So I am requesting to everyone, try to type your answer in chat box. Question number 1, XML stand for Extensible Markup Languages, Extensible Markup Languages, or X dash Extensible Markup Languages, and D none. What will be the correct answer? Please guess and type your answer in a chat box. Yes, please type your answer in the chat box. I am expecting answers from everyone. Okay. What will be the answer? Please type in a chat box. Okay, and answer is A, Extensible Markup Language. Okay, next question. XML tags are not predefined. See, here is a question. XML tags are not predefined. You know that. What is mean by actually first XML? You know that. You are creating the XML for the book also, for the different books, or for you can create the XML for the different items. So at that time we are using the elements as the item or the book name or the author. So these are the predefined or not? True or false? What will be the answer? Please type in a chat box. What will be the answer? XML tags are not predefined. True or false? Correct answer is true. It's a not predefined. We are defining the XML tags. Next question. We are using plus and minus sign that enable to expand or compact that element. Are you using the plus and minus sign? You did the practicals. At that time you used this type of plus and minus sign? Please tell me. Have you used this plus and minus sign? Yes, we are using the plus sign for expanding and minus sign, okay, for compact the element. So correct answer will be A, true. Next question. Save XML code inside the file with extension? Please type your answer. Only Yash and Akshada are giving the answer. I am expecting answers from everyone. Please try to type your answer in the chat box. Just Akshada and Yash are replying. Okay, save XML code inside the file with extension. Which extension we are using? .txt, .php, .xml or .doc. Which extension we are using? We are using the extension .xml. Yes, correct. Pranjal, you are correct. Next, which of the following is incorrect? First, XML language has no predefined tags. Second, XML is about displaying information. XML allows the data interchange between different computer systems. And the XML enables smart searching. See, here is just a 4 sentence. You have to select the correct one from the given option. But see, in exam, there may be a question depends on each and every option also. Okay, so try to read the sample questions and answers carefully. The questions and the alternatives. Okay, given choices, read the carefully. So you can you can give the answer for each and every question. Okay, and correct answer is B. What is incorrect? XML is about displaying information. It is a displaying information or the carrying information. Okay, you know that the correct. So answer is B. XML is about carrying information and HTML is about displaying information. XML concentrates on what? Data, appearance of data, presentation, and is none. See, XML concentrate on what? Type your answer in the chat box. XML concentrates on what? Data or appearance of data or the presentation. Please type your answer in the chat box. Okay, correct answer is A, data. Okay, concentrate on data. Next question, which of the following are components of document? A, processing instruction. B, tag. C, elements. D, attributes. Which of the following are components of XML document? Yes, Pooja, Shweta, Pranjal, Akshada are giving the answers. Very good. What will be the answer? Yes, type your answer in the chat box. Yes, Akshada and Pooja are replying. Yes, Akshada replying A, Pooja replying D. But correct answer is all of these A, B, C, D. Why I have given this type of a question? Here I have not mentioned the all of the above. Because in some cases, when there is a question like this, you are just directly clicking on all of the above. But every time there is no option all of the above. In your exam, there may be a question like these are the components and the options are 1 and 2, 2 and 3, 1, 2, 3 or 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. So correct answer is A, B, C, D, all of the above. Next question. Which of the following rule or rules to use XML elements are incorrect? Which is incorrect? Try to find out and type your answer in a chat box. Elements cannot overlap. An XML document has exactly one root element. XML elements are case insensitive. The all of the above. Which of the following rules to use XML elements are incorrect? Type your answer in the chat box. I am waiting for your reply. Yes. What will be the answer? Correct answer is C. XML elements are case insensitive. Okay. This is incorrect because elements are case sensitive. When you are using the elements, means you use the, suppose you have used the book element, and in first for the opening you have written the BOOK in a small, and at the time of closing when you are using in a caps, this will be a mismatch. So this is a case sensitive. Okay. Next question is question number 9. Which of the following are incorrect? XML attribute names are case sensitive. You cannot provide two values for the same attribute in the same start tag. Attribute's name should never appear in quotation marks. The attribute values never appear in quotation marks. What will be the answer? Read it carefully and then please give your answer in chat box. XML attribute names are case sensitive. You cannot provide the two values for the same attribute in the same start tag. Attribute names should never appear in quotation marks. Attribute values never appear in quotation marks. Correct answer is D. Next, in XML, entities are used to represent the special characters, true or false. In XML, entities are used to represent the special characters, true or false. Correct answer is A, true. In XML, comments are written as write your comment. Write your comment like this. Option C is hash and write your comment. D, bracket, exclamatory mark, write your comment. What will be the correct way? Option is D. See, just Akshata, Pooja and Yash are replying frequently. I am requesting to everyone, please try to give your answers in chat box. Just 3 students are replying. Next question. College. Then Oxford College. In this example, Oxford is a element, variable, content or entity. What will be the answer? Answer is C. This is a content. Types of contents in XML: character content, element content, mixed content, all of the above. What will be the answer? Please type your answer in a chat. What will be the answer? Yes, very good. Rutika, Pooja, Shweta, Pranjal, very good. All of you are replying now. Thank you. This will be the revision session. Okay. Types of contents are the all of the above. Character, element and mixed content. These all are the content. Types of content. Yes, Anashri. Very good. If the XML document is not linked to a style sheet, the XML document will be displayed with tags true or false. If the XML document is not linked to a style sheet, The XML document will be displayed with text true or false. What will be the answer? Answer is A, true, and it's correct. Question number 15. Following are the names of XML parser. SAX, B, DOM, C, full, D, none. Which of the followings are the names of XML parser? Answer is A, B, and C. All are the XML parser. DOM stands for. What is the full form of a DOM? What is the full form of a DOM? Document Object Model, Data Object Model, Document Operating Model, Data Operating Model. What will be the full form of a DOM? And the full form is A, Document Object Model. Question number 17. DOM builds the entire XML document, a representation in memory, and then hand over the whole chunk of memory to the calling program. See, DOM builds the entire XML document representation in memory and then behavior and then hand over the whole chunk of memory to the calling program. Okay, is it true or false? Correct answer is A, true. Yes, Akshada, Pooja, Ritika, Shweta, very good. Most of your answers are correct. You did the study well. Next question is, if you want to display a title, which function is used? See, if you want to display a title, which function is used? A, get element by tag name, in bracket, you need to write the $tag name. B, get name, in bracket, tag name. C, load, in bracket, $tag name. D, none. Which function you need? You use this function in practicals also. Please type your answer in a chat box. Which function we are using? We are using the function A, get element by tag name. Option A is correct answer. Now we will go to the next question. Question number 19. Applications of XML are A, cell phones, B, file converters, D, data formatting, and E, none. Application of XML are. Tell me fast. Which of the following are the applications of XML? Yes, very good, Dhanashri. Dhanashri, Pranjal, Ritika, very good. And correct answer is cell phone and file converters. These are the applications of XML. Which of the following is correct? A parser is a program that converts a physical representation of some data into an in-memory form. B, an XML parser reads XML and allows the program to use XML. C, most common parsers are SAX, DOM, full. D, all of the above. Which of the following is correct? Correct answer is D. All of the above is correct. A parser is a program that converts a physical representation of some data into an in-memory form. B, an XML parser reads XML and allows the programs to use XML. Most common parsers are SAX, DOM, full, and these all of the above. Okay, now we will go to the next part. of the MCQ, that is JavaScript MCQ. Now we will see this MCQ, this chapter MCQ, JavaScript MCQ. Okay, you know the JavaScript, and here you can create too many MCQs on this chapter. But you know that some part of this chapter is not for this exam. Due to pandemic, university reduced the syllabus, and I had shared reduced syllabus with you. Okay, so please note that and try to read in the topics. Question number 1. Which of the following is incorrect? JavaScript is server-side language. JavaScript can be inserted, embedded in the header of our HTML pages. JavaScript is supported by all major browsers. D. JavaScript is open source scripting language. Which of the following is incorrect? A. JavaScript is server-side language. Okay, this is a incorrect. Then what will be the correct? JavaScript is client-side language. Okay, if the question is like JavaScript is a client-side language, then all the option will be correct. Okay. Yes, very good, Akshada, Ritika, Dhanashri, Pooja. Okay, now I am expecting the answers from other students also. Next is HTML is combination of HTML, JavaScript, DOM, CSS. It is a combination of all, because the HTML combines the HTML, JavaScript, DOM. You know that what is a DOM? Document Object Model. CSS means what? Cascading Style Sheet. You know that it's a very technology, and you learn these technologies in this chapter: HTML, JavaScript, DOM, and CSS. Next is JavaScript is an -- programming language. Now you know that the answer. What will be the answer? It is a middle level, procedure oriented, object oriented, or structured language. What will be the answer? JavaScript is an -- programming language. Please guess and type your answer in the chat. I am waiting for your answer. Yes, type your answer in the chat box. Yes, Akshita, very good. Guess. What will be the answer? Correct answer is C. It is the object-oriented programming language. Next is, in a JavaScript, encapsulation is possible only by using inheritance. True or false? Answer is A. True. Next question is question number 5. Which of the following is incorrect? Variables act as identifiers. B. It is a symbolic name assigned to memory location. C. Variable names are case insensitive. D. A variable can have only single data item at any given time during the program execution. Which of the following is incorrect? What will be the answer? Guess and type your answer in the chat. Yes, everyone is giving the correct answer. Yes, Shrutika, Pooja, Dhanashri, Seema, Akshada, Pranjal, Aishwarya Dhumar, Shweta Ratnapure, all are giving the correct answer. Very good. Very good, everyone. C. Correct answer for this question is C. Variable names are case insensitive. Okay, now we will go to the next question. JavaScript form validation. See, JavaScript form validation provides a method. Okay, JavaScript form validation provides a method to check the user entered information on client side before that data is submitted to server side. What is the meaning of this question? JavaScript form validation provides a method. Means JavaScript form validations की जो भी कुछ मेथड है ऐसा कुछ मेथड प्रोवाइड करता है क्या टू चेक द यूजर सेंटर्ड इंफॉर्मेशन. मीन्स यूजर ने कुछ तो इंफॉर्मेशन एंटर किया है वो सर्वर साइड में जा रहा है तो उससे पहले ही वो क्लाइंट साइड पे चेक कर रहा है. ऐसे मेथड होते हैं क्या कुछ जावास्क्रिप्ट में? टेल मी योर आंसर. Is it true or false? Tell me your answer. Yes, Rohit Gaikwad. I think Renuka is giving the answers from this mobile. Rohit Gaikwad. Okay. Aishwarya Kabule, Akshada More, Aishwarya Dhumar, Shweta. Very good. Your all answers are correct. Yes. Yes, Dhanashri. Very good. What will be the answer for this question? Yes, correct answer is A. True. Everyone is correct. All Aishwarya, Pooja, Akshada, Pranjal, Shweta, all of you are giving the very good answers. Thank you everyone. JavaScript provides following loop control. A. While, B. Do while, C. For, and D. For in. JavaScript provides following loop control. While, do while, for, and for in. What will be the answer? Answer is all of the above. A, B, C, D. While, do while, for, and for in. Okay. Now here sometimes you will be confused. Okay. But in your exam there will be options are first option will be A and B, second is B and C, third is A, B, C, and fourth is A, B, C, D. So at that time you need to give the correct option. A, B, C, D. All are the loop control in JavaScript. Now we will go to the next question. See, I am waiting for everyone's reply. Very good, Akshada, Pooja, Renuka, Rotika. Next question is, JavaScript defines following primitives: numbers, boolean, strings, null, undefined. JavaScript defines following primitives. And answer is all of the above. Which of the following are special operators in JavaScript? Now I am taking all the questions in a hurry because I know that tomorrow you have a paper. We are trying to revise all the questions, but you need to give the time to read the notes also. So read the notes carefully, read the PPT shared with you. Try to watch videos provided by Sarhad app. Okay. Which of the following are special operators in JavaScript? New, delete, dot, void. And correct answer is all of the above. Next question is, Which of the following is a client-side JavaScript? Microsoft Navigator, Livewire, and Mac. And the correct answer is the Navigator. Yes, this answer was displayed previously. Okay. Now, next question is question number 11. Which of the following is the last statement of JavaScript? The first option, see the carefully second option, third option, and last option. Correct answer is A. Next question, question number 12. Which of the following are properties of element object? ID, value, inner HTML, length. Which of the following are the properties of element object? The answer is all of these. ID is also important, value, the inner HTML, and the length also. Next question, question number 13. Which of the following is not included in history object? Which of the following is not included? Back, forward, home, and close. These are the four options. Which of the following is not included in history object? Option is D, close. Now question number 14. How to open new browser window? Window.open file path. B, open window. C, open in bracket path. D, open window. Window open. See, I am taking all the questions fastly, but then also try to type your answer in a chat. How to open new browser window? Answer is A, window.open in bracket file path. How to refresh the document? Refresh, location.reload, reload in bracket file, location.refresh. Correct answer is B, location.reload. You can use this function. Which of the following are correct? Events are normally used in a combination with function. Event handlers force an element to act according to the event occurrence. An event in JavaScript is something that happens on the web page when a specific action occurs. JavaScript has the ability to create dynamic web pages that enables the user interaction using event handling system. Which of the following are correct? Or which of the following is correct? You need to read each and every option carefully, and only you can do the proper answer. See, all of the above are the correct. So, events are normally used in combination with function. Event handler force an element to act according to the event occurrence. An event in JavaScript is something that happens on the web page when a specific action occurs. JavaScript has the ability to create dynamic web pages that enables the user interaction using event handling system. Next question is JavaScript provides us following types of dialog boxes: alert, confirm, prompt, mode. Which type of dialog boxes? Answer is A, B, and C. Alert, confirm, prompt. Next question. Which of the following are a JavaScript operator? New, this, delete, typo. Which of the following are JavaScript operator? And correct answers are new, this, and delete. Next question. What is use of isNaN object? What is the use of this? What is the use of this function? Returns the true if the object is not a number. Returns the true if the object is not a Negative. Returns the true if the object is not a natural. Returns the true if the object is natural number. What will be the answer? What is the use of this function? The correct answer is A. Returns the true if the object is not a number. Yes, everyone type your answer in the chat box. Very good, Akshada, Aishwarya, Dhanashri, Akshada, Aishwarya Dhumar, Pooja. Very good. Question number 20. JavaScript user-defined function is generally written in between the head script, then end of script, end of head. True or false? What will be the answer? True or false? Yes, it's correct. True. Option A, true is correct. See, now we will see the questions from the chapter PHP framework. Okay, from this chapter we will see the questions. Everyone know that there is no questions in theory exam when there is a descriptive exams. Just one or two questions for the 1 or 2 marks. But in online examination, you need to prepare this chapter also because these frameworks are very important nowadays and you need to read all these framework carefully. Now, first question is question 1. APIs. What is meant by APIs? Application Programming Interfaces. Applet Programming Interfaces. Application Programming Internet. D. None. What will be the correct answer? And the correct answer is, type your answer in the chat box. What will be the correct answer? Yes. Yes, Seema, very good. Correct answer is A. Application Programming Interfaces. Most of the web applications code falls in the category as first presentation, second business logic, third data access. True or false? What will be the answer? True or false? Correct answer is A. True. Which of the following is correct? Model. It defines the basic functionality and some business logic of the application. View. It takes care of presentation of the application to the user. C. Controller. This binds the application together. D. All of the above. Which of the following is correct? Type your correct answer. Yes, Pooja, Akshada, Shweta. Your answers are correct. What will be the answer of this? Correct answer is D. All of the above. Which of the following is supports SSL, logins and SSL pages? Joomla, Drupal, both, none. Which of the following is supports SSL, logins and SSL pages? Correct answer is A. Joomla. Joomla supports SSL logins and SSL pages. Frameworks choose high productivity and take comparatively shorter time for designing and coding, and also it allows to code reuse. What will be the answer? C. Framework give high productivity and take comparatively shorter time for designing and coding, and also it allows the code reuse. Options are true or false. Correct answer is A. True. Framework is collection of APIs, compilers, toolsets, libraries. Framework is a collection of what? Collection of all these things. A, B, C, D. Framework is a collection of APIs, compilers, toolsets, libraries. Okay, that's why only we are using the framework. Next question is, a PHP framework is platform that helps in developing A. Software, B. Desktop application, C. Web application, and D. None. What will be the correct answer? PHP framework is a platform that helps in developing software, desktop application, web application or none. For what purpose we are using? ये क्या है? PHP का फ्रेमवर्क है. PHP में हम क्या बनाते हैं? सॉफ्टवेयर बनाते हैं, डेस्कटॉप एप्लीकेशन बनाते हैं या वेब एप्लीकेशन बनाते हैं. व्हाट विल बी द आंसर? Yes, correct, Shweta. C. Web application. What is MVC? MVC means what? Model View Concept, Main View Controller, Model View Controller, D. Manage View Controller. What is MVC? What is meant by MVC? Type your answer in the chat box. Everyone knows that what is MVC. Model View Controller. Yes, correct. Actually, you are correct. Next, what is advantage of MVC? What is advantage of Model View Controller? First, database support. B. Size support. C. Documentation support. D. MVC architecture. What is the advantage of this MVC? Think and type your answer in the chat. What will be the answer? What is advantage of MVC? Correct answer is all of the above, because database support, it provides the size support, documentation support, MVC architecture. Okay, it provides the good architecture also. So all options are correct. Which of the following are names of framework? Yet another framework, Kohona, Code Igniter, Kick PHP. Which of the following are names of framework? Type your answer in the chat. Yes, very good. Akshata, Dhanashri, Pooja, Shweta are frequently giving the answers. Very good, dear. Correct answer is all of the above. All are the names of framework. Okay. Next is page caching, RSS feeds, printable version of pages, news flashes are the features of Joomla, Kona, CodeIgniter, Kick PHP. See, which are the features? Page caching, RSS feeds, printable version of pages, news flashes are the features of which? Type your answer in the chat. Think and type your answer. Option A, Joomla providing all these features. In MVC architecture, model defines which layer? Model defines which layer? Data access layer, business logic layer, presentation layer, and D, interface layer. Which layer? MVC architecture model defines which layer? Data, business, presentation layer or interface layer? Which layer it defines? It defines the business logic layer. And next question is, which of the following are most commonly used PHP-based CMS? What is meant by CMS? You know the CMS, Content Management System, Drupal, Joomla, WordPress, all of the above. Most commonly used PHP-based CMS. Type your answer in the chat. we learn all about the Drupal, Joomla and WordPress through 3 different seminars. Everyone know that about this. Correct answer is D, all of the above. Question number 14. Which of the following is or are not a feature of Drupal? Open source free software. See, here is a question, not a feature of. Okay. The software is modifiable. It has large and active community of users. D. It provides flexible architecture. What will be the answer? Which is not a feature of Drupal. Not a feature of Drupal. Read it carefully. That's why I am telling you need to read between the lines for online examination. You need to prepare well. Read each and every page, each and every sentence carefully. You know that all the concepts, all the answers, but just need to read carefully and recall. Recall that you have learned from the December you are learning this PHP-2. So I definitely know you will get a very good marks, but try to recall all these answers, try to recall this concept and you are able to give the answer of each and every question. And here the question number 14 answer is B. The software is modifiable. This is not a feature of Drupal. Okay, and here is all the questions regarding the chapter related to the chapter XML and JavaScript and PHP framework chapter. Okay, in this session we had covered these 3 chapters, that is XML, JavaScript and the PHP framework. In previous part we learned about the web techniques, email handling. So I am requesting to all the students, please revise the previous session also, and if you have any doubt you can send me a text message. So I will send the notes, or if you have any query then you can text me or call me. I will try to solve the all queries. Thank you everyone and best of luck for your exams. Thank you.